Caution before assembly. Please do not fully fasten all the screws unless you have completely assembled the product. Follow the steps. Fasten each screw by 90%. Then adjust the balance of chair by sitting on it. Finally, fasten all the screws fully. Please put the chair on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger.
Fix B to C with 3 screws D, 2 screws E, and 5 washers F. Then put nut covers H on screws E.
Fix B to A with 5 screws D and 5 washers F. Adjust the balance of chair by sitting.